Welcome to Leadwell. We are excited to introduce the BC-600 5-axis machining center to you. With its 4+1 or 5-axis control capability, the BC-600 offers flexible machining options and simultaneous processing on 5 axes. This advanced feature reduces workpiece unloading and the need for jigs, resulting in shorter processing times and improved overall performance. The BC-600 is built with a powerful structure that has undergone FEA analysis. Its extra-wide base and saddle design ensure the highest stability, even during high-speed movements. The Y-axis is equipped with 4 guide blocks, while the X-axis has 6 guide blocks, enhancing load capacity, rigidity, and providing smoother motion for improved accuracy. Featuring an X-Y-axis dual nuts ball screw design and roller-type guide ways in all axes, the BC-600 offers high load carrying capacity, excellent rigidity, smooth and precise motion, low friction, and wear resistance. It is also designed to be maintenance-friendly. The BC-600 incorporates a 3-axis bearing oil lubrication system, which prolongs the life of the machine parts, improves rigidity, and reduces thermal elongation. With rapid feed rates of 36 meters per minute for the X-Y axes and 30 meters per minute for the Z-axis, along with generous travel distances of 1,100 millimeters, 610 millimeters, and 650 millimeters, the BC-600 provides efficient and dynamic machining capabilities. Equipped with a B-axis rotary table with plus or minus 110 degrees of travel and a C-axis rotary table with 360 degrees of travel, the BC-600 offers versatile positioning options. Its table size is 600 millimeters in diameter, with a maximum load of 400 kilograms on the C-axis rotary table and 1,400 kilograms on the main table, and making it suitable for a wide range of workpieces. The rotary table is designed for high-speed and high-torque performance. The BC-600 features a spindle that can be turned at 90 degrees or 0 degrees, offering maximum working ranges of 940 by 600 by 1005 millimeters or 1280 by 600 by 700 millimeters. Its high-precision 3-axis linear scale ensures accuracy in machining operations. The BC-600 features a high-performance built-in spindle with a maximum speed of 15,000 revolutions per minute and a torque of 95 Newton-meters. It delivers exceptional machining capabilities with low vibration, high removal rates, and an internal maze design that prevents coolant and oil mist from entering the spindle's center. The BC-600 is equipped with a 4D Tools chain-type tool magazine, providing flexibility for multi-processing complex activities. It has undergone laser and circular position accuracy tests, rotation center diagnostics, and ISO 107917 accuracy tests. These tests ensure precise and reliable performance, reducing scrap, enhancing productivity, and increasing profits. Designed to be large workpiece friendly, the BC-600 allows the top front cover to be opened, removing limitations on machining large workpieces. Its ergonomic design includes a swivel panel with a built-in 10.4 inches screen that can swing up to 60 degrees, providing ease of use for tool adjustment and all operating controls. The BC-600 is compatible with Fanuc, Siemens, or Heidenhain controllers, offering flexibility to suit different user preferences. Additionally, it can be integrated with a KUKA KR series robotic arm for automatic applications, increasing productivity by enabling workpiece loading and unloading. In summary, the BC-600 5-axis machining center is a high-performance machine that combines 4+1 or 5-axis control capability with flexible machining options. With its powerful structure, advanced features, and precise performance, it offers excellent efficiency for heavy-duty turning operations. Thank you for watching the video. If you would like to know more about us, do not hesitate to contact us directly or visit our website.